Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be taking you through Freewallet. So let's get started. Freewallet family blockchain's front end. Create wallet now or choose your app. If you already have an account, you can click login. Why Freewallet? Build an exchange for every day of 25 cryptocurrencies. Instant and fee-free transactions within Freewallet. Multi-wallet by Freewallet. A perfect place to send, store, and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. You can get it on the Google Play Store, App Store, or the web wallet. High level of security. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zcash, wallets, and many more. You can click this button to choose your wallet. Choose multi-currency wallet for your needs. Freewallet family. Choose your Freewallet now. That's all you need to do to start using cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to end this video right here. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you liked. Don't forget to go to the Wheels Coins website to find more information. Thank you.